it blinks red on and off. Poor little boy.
Poor baby. They're so loud. Oh, it feels like they hurt.
You got something to say to the camera? Any other comments? What do you think about your mom and dad? Especially your dad. A great guy? You love your mom?
Oh, yeah. He loves his mom.
Is there anything else that you want to add?
Oh.
Poor little boy.
You hear that sigh?
Yep. Oh, he's such a cutie. So somebody has suggested that we should have named you Blizzard Lydiard. What do you think?
Outside. Look at that.
It is not the best weather, and it's been one of those storms of the century.
Yeah.
So we're stuck here at the hospital for one more day. But we're comfy and we're cozy and we're happy and couldn't be more delighted than have this little man in our life.
Nope. It's perfect.
We love you, Henry and Tabitha. Is that you or him?
Us too. That was him.
One more? Any last comments before we turn it off? Turn it back to the sponsor?
Ooh,
okay.
what to say?
Over and out. Bye-bye.